I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Moringa water at home easy method. Start by washing fresh Moringa leaves and preparing a clean jar and strainer. Lightly bruise or chop the leaves to unlock nutrients and aroma. Combine 1 cup of leaves with 1 liter of cold water, cover, and refrigerate to steep for 8 to 12 hours. Strain, taste, and add lemon or honey if desired. Use cold or room temperature water to protect delicate vitamins when you make Moringa water at home. Avoid boiling the leaves, since heat can reduce nutrient content. After steeping in the fridge, strain and store the drink covered for up to 48 hours, shaking gently before pouring. Begin with small servings, like half a cup daily, to see how your body responds and gradually increase if desired. Quick recommendation and ad break. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support these guides. On another note, the book The Simple Path to Wealth offers clear, calming money advice that can free your headspace for healthy habits like making Moringa water. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting the channel if you find it useful. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with simple additions to keep Moringa water interesting and tasty. Try slices of lemon, a few ginger pieces, or cucumber for extra flavor and nutrients. For a stronger tonic, blend a small handful of leaves with water and strain to make a concentrate you can dilute later. After workouts, mix Moringa water with coconut water for natural electrolytes and gentle hydration that supports recovery and taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.